Good morning, everybody. Back to Stage Racing. Thank you guys for coming back. On this episode, we are working on the red car. We got some battery stuff we're gonna do. We got the battery mount for the anti-gravity. I'm gonna move out of the way for the light. We got the battery mount for the anti-gravity battery here, so we can actually mount the anti-gravity from the blueberry into the red car. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna clean up a bunch of wiring stuff that I just noticed that I want to get addressed now, and that's about it. So let's get started. Alright, boys, headlight install, fog light install besides the bulbs for both of them, and the battery box, moving stuff around, rewiring some battery cables, that's done. So here's what it looks like. So, pretty happy with the results, and all in all, I think I did a pretty decent job of just like a little facelift. You know, we're just giving a little bit of Botox just to lift up some heavy spots. You know, the fog lights, I just kind of wrapped them in that. You can buy this shit on like Amazon or eBay. It's like the headlight or fog light like cover. But it's not, it's just film, there you go, film. So actually turned out really good. We're gonna go with LED fog lights, and then I want to maybe possibly change the turn signals the same colors. That's what I did with the blueberry. I'm touching it, that's what I did with the blueberry. But all in all, looks really good. Really happy with the outcome. And next steps, I'll probably do like spark plugs, just like a little tune-up, nothing crazy, just reliability is what I'm looking for. And then hopefully soonish, I gotta find some interior. Once I find the interior, then put some fucking interior back on, and then a window washer bottle. I did not see There is no window wash bottle in here, so I have to buy a window wash bottle. Upgrade this coolant reservoir. It's a little muff. And then all in all, it's gonna be good to go. A couple things in the interior we got to worry about. So so stay tuned for some more stuff. I noticed something real quick. I don't have this. But the blueberry does. I don't think I want to get rid of those. Probably just keep those there. And next video, maybe we'll do some blueberry stuff. I did get some. We put it on Instagram. Move this out of the way. We did get a bunch of stuff from Professional Awesome to do our own splitter with titanium pucks. For obviously we don't want the sparks to happen because then we're porpoising, but titanium everything, so titanium pucks. Professional Awesome hardware. We got the big mounts for that, so hopefully that'll be coming up soonish. And we got to figure out what we're gonna do with this hood. So stay tuned, and thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Help us get to 1,000. And see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.